Hey everyone, welcome back. The Subway Surfers quit on its own or refuses to open specifically when your mobile data is turned on but work fine on Wi-Fi. Here's the fix. First, go to your settings. Then scroll down to Cellular, tap on it and find Subway Surfers through the list. Once you find it, make sure cellular data is toggled on for the app. If it's off, tap if it's off, the app can behave unpredictably when it detects data connection it isn't allowed to use. Next, settings, go back and then toggle airplane mode on. Toggle it on for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off, which fully resets both your Wi-Fi and cellular connection and clears a conflict between the two. Force close Subway Surfers completely and then reopen it after a while with only mobile data active, Wi-Fi turned off to test cleanly if it quits immediately. Reopen it, then go to your settings after that and go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Subway Surfers, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for Subway Surfers and reinstall it fresh from there. Since a corrupted network cache is often the root of cause of this specific data only crash. So all you gotta do is turn on cellular data access for the app, reset your connection with airplane mode and offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Subway Surfer opens on data and that's it. Subscribe.